Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the blazer precisely. Remove shoulder pads and loosen the lining so you can access seams. This prevents accidental cuts. Once the jacket is flattened and grain aligned, use tailor's chalk to mark your first cut lines, 1/2 seam allowances, lapel edges, and hem adjustments. Make short snips at marked points to verify layers. Keep scissors perpendicular and cut only the fabric layer you intend. This helps preserve interfacing and gives you clean, predictable edges before deeper alterations. Now you perform the central, more complex cuts. Unpick stay stitches and open side seams enough to free fabric movement, then cut lapels and center front along the chalked line, trimming 1/2 seam allowance as desired. When reshaping armholes, clip curves every 1/2 to allow smooth turning and avoid puckers. Make shallow snips through seam allowance only. If interfacing is present, trim it back incrementally and apply stay stitching to new edges so the jacket maintains shape while you work toward final fitting. You finish by stabilizing and refining every edge. Understitch new facings, press seams flat, and add top stitching where you want a crisp edge. This secures the cut shapes. Reshape or reattach the lining, ensuring sleeve and hem lengths match. Use a blind hem or 1/4 top stitch to secure. If you notice puckers or uneven seams, press with steam while supporting the seam, then trim excess seam allowance and restitch. This usually removes distortion and restores smooth lines, so the blazer looks professionally altered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.